Hi friends, good morning one and all. I am Mr. Srikar Chakrala from Srikar Creative Works యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు వీడియో ఏంటి స్పెషల్ అని అంటే, ఎందుకు నేను ఒక్కని సింగిల్గా చేస్తున్నానంటే దానికి the reason behind this is actually recently we got in the last week the exam related timetable for the 10th class and inter and all other classes and courses. Iroju this video is exclusively for the 10th class children. Why it is for 10th class children means, as this the academic year completely went under with the pandemic situations, with the corona problem and all other things, as the classes I think so not completely and successfully and satisfaction is not there. So just as a you people, some of you people know that I am from the teaching background. Previously I was a teacher for maths and science in the high school. I worked for different schools and some even I used to have my own classes also. So this video is exclusively for the 10th class outgoing children to the inter level, the next level. So especially the 10th class children, please pay attention for few minutes. You can understand what I want to say and what I want to convey is, though it is a pandemic situation, you people went under with some, you people have attended some online classes also. I think you have went through all the chapters through online, though physical classes were not there. Don't worry children, please. Here for coming to the maths, this year we are having all the exams as a single paper. This is the one thing you have to keep remember in your mind first. The thing is, then afterwards don't be afraid of maths and science. Maths is very easy subject. First of all, you have to motivate yourself and you should have self-confidence in you. Don't worry. Though you have 15 chapters, please concentrate on some of the chapters which I am going to mention now, and they will be going to have much weightage. Previously, first paper, second paper, paper 1 and paper 2 you used to have. But this time what I mean to say is, as the whole syllabus is there, first you divide the chapters into three different types. One is most important and some difficulty level. Most important chapters. Today I will talk about most important chapters only. In the next session, daily, once whenever my video will come to you, just once again small request for you people. Please subscribe my channel and you press the bell symbol, so that for the 10th class kids, at least for this 3 months, you will have what I mean a proper guidance. I think so. I will try my level best to give you the guidance to pass out from exams, so that concentrate first of all on quadratic equations, pair of linear equations, progressions, statistics, trigonometry. These five chapters you are going to come into the safe zone if you are thorough with this. Once again I am repeating you: quadratic equations, pair of linear equations, progressions, statistics, trigonometry. Trigonometry includes with applications of trigonometry also, that is heights and distances. These 5 chapters you people be thorough. First preference, at any cost, don't skip, don't ignore these 5 chapters. These 5 chapters you are going to score nearly 40 marks. Nearby 40 marks you are going to score in the exam, including both. It means out of 100 marks, 80 marks main paper, 20 marks bit paper this time. It means 20% internal they will go. Out of 80 you are going to write 20 marks bit paper. So out of 80 you are going to get nearly 35 to 40 marks from this chapters, these 5 chapters. So please, once again I am saying you, and in these chapters what you have to prepare and how you have to prepare, just keep on watching my channel regularly till this end of the exams, that is from May 17th. I think your exams are going to be start. So just follow my channel and follow my tips for the 10th class children. This video purely for the 10th class children. Please follow, and in comment box whichever the chapter you want to get clarified or any doubts, just comment in that, and most of the comments regarding which chapter, in that chapter I am going to give some important questions also. Of course, whether it is commented or not, I am going to give you all the important guidance how to pass out easily from 10th class from maths and science. Okay children, first today after watching this video, just go through these 5 chapters once. Just follow what I am saying you. It is benefit of you only. At the end of the day, the summary of this video will be to do benefit to the 10th class children. Please follow, please follow, please follow. And to get regular notifications of my videos, subscribe and press the bell button on all. Okay children, right. Today after watching this video, once again I am saying you go through these 5 chapters, and in the next session I will discuss about one by one chapter. Then remaining after the 5 chapters, I will talk about the next 10 chapters, what to do. Okay, like this for maths and science, both physical science, I am going to give you some tips and suggestions. Okay children, all the best for your bright future. God bless you. Tata, love you all. Bye.